This is Namugongo Good Samaritan project, a project that is working with the single mothers and widows, both HIV positive and non-HIV positive.
Lillian is a graduate of the Educate Mentorship Program, which trains young people to become the leaders of the future. Uganda has the youngest population in the world. 50% are under the age of 15, compared with just 13% of Americans. Educate's mission is to harness and develop this youthful potential, giving young people the skills and confidence to make a difference in their communities.
I accepted the fact that I'm an orphan and I've lost my mom, I've lost my dad. I had all the struggles, and sometimes I could sit back and think how I wish my mom was here, how I wish my dad was here. I think this would be happening. That is kind of what we always have in our daily lives as orphans.
Educate is an organization that develops young leaders and entrepreneurs in Uganda and across Africa by providing long-term mentorship and training in entrepreneurship and leadership to students to be able to devise solutions to Africa's most pressing problems.
Educate has enrolled over 1,400 students in 24 high schools across Uganda.
I like mentoring because it helps me to create a difference in somebody's life. For the past 1 year I've been a mentor, I've realized that I've been a significant impact to a number of youth, and I have helped students, to change their mindset. And it's from the mindset that a student can create change in their societies.
I approached him and told him, you know what? I'm in senior 6, but I want to be in this club. I kept him until 2010 when we graduated from the program.
Lillian Aero got the confidence out of the Educate class. She identified the women who were widowed, and at the same time, most of whom were HIV positive, and looked through what she could do with the ladies, and the skill that she had was making paper beads. So she was able to get these ladies together and then teach them that skill that she already have. For students to be able to use those resources that they already have is what we have seen Lillian get to do and execute perfectly well.
We are replacing what the ladies formerly used to do. They used to work in stone quarries. They used to break down stones. Most of them have moved away from doing that.
Lillian is one of several alumni who've created successful projects that are having a positive impact on their communities. Danielle created an energy-saving cooking stove, and Samuel started a local village school.
From the business that I'm doing, I'm sponsoring myself at the university.
Help Educate support young leaders and entrepreneurs in Africa.
Been able to pay for my children's school fees. We've benefited from it because we've got diverse knowledge.